for immediate release. U.S. Southern Command Public Affairs. Dateline. Eastern Pacific Ocean. Units from the United States Armed Forces conducted a lethal strike on a high-speed vessel suspected of illicit drug trafficking early this morning, resulting in the neutralization of multiple individuals on board, U.S. officials confirmed. The incident occurred in international waters in the Eastern Pacific, a known transit zone for narcotics shipments bound for Central and North America. According to a statement from U.S. Southern Command, SOUTHCOM, a U.S. Coast Guard Law Enforcement Detachment, LEDET, aboard a partnered U.S. Navy vessel attempted to hail and board the Go Fast style boat as part of a routine counter-narcotics patrol. The suspect vessel refused to stop and ignored repeated verbal warnings and warning shots, the SOUTHCOM statement read. The crew exhibited clear hostile intent, prompting a defensive response from U.S. forces to ensure the safety of our personnel and the interdiction mission. The defensive strike, authorized under both U.S. law and international maritime law, resulted in the sinking of the suspect vessel. Preliminary reports indicate no U.S. personnel were injured. The exact number of fatalities on the suspected smuggling boat is currently under assessment, and their nationalities have not been released. While the loss of life is regrettable, this action was a necessary defense of our personnel against a non-compliant vessel engaged in suspected transnational criminal activity, said a senior defense official, speaking on condition of anonymity. This strike underscores our unwavering commitment to disrupting and degrading the flow of deadly narcotics that fuel violence and instability throughout the Western Hemisphere. Recovery operations at the scene led to the seizure of an estimated 1,200 kilograms of suspected cocaine, with a street value in excess of $35 million. The drugs were reportedly jettisoned by the crew prior to the engagement. The operation is part of a broader, long-standing U.S. interagency effort to combat transnational criminal organizations at sea. Such forces operate under authorities that allow for the use of force in self-defense and to prevent the escape of vessels suspected of trafficking. An internal review of the incident, standard procedure for any use of lethal force, has been initiated. The governments of regional partner nations have been notified through diplomatic channels.